Okay guys, so for today's video, ako i-discuss what is geometric sequence na sila. So, but before we go under sa mga solution or solving sa geometric sequence, ato sa i-define kin sa si geometric sequence. So, geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers where each term is being multiplied by the same number. So, if in arithmetic, So if in arithmetic, we will add the same number to the terms, in geometric sequence, we are going to multiply the same number of each term. So for example, here, so as what you have observed, same iyahang ipang multiply na numbers sa term. So that is why we have the terms of 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. Now, so that is geometric sequence. Now, for us to solve the geometric sequence, of course, we need to know the formula. So the formula for geometric sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1, where a sub n is the term that we are finding. So ang term na itong ipangita, next, the a sub 1, still the same. It is the first term. The r is common ratio, and n minus 1 is exponent. Take note that n minus 1 is the exponent of our common ratio, or the r. So how are we going to find the r, or the common ratio? Let's have an example to find the common ratio. So let's say, for example, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. Let's say, for example, so to find the common ratio, we need to divide the next term to the previous term. So, 8 divided by 4 is 2. 16 divided by 8 is still 2. 32 divided by 16 is 2. So therefore, in this sequence, our common ratio is 2. Let's have an example for us to solve sa geometric sequence. Okay. So we have the sequence of 9, 27, 81, 247, and so on. So the first step is to write the formula. So this sequence is a form of geometric. So we will write the formula for geometric sequence. So that is, the formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. Let's say our task here is to find the sixth term of the sequence. Now let us identify our givens. So first is a sub 1. So our a sub 1 is 9. Next is our n, which is 6. How to find r? So by just dividing the next term to the previous term. So what is 27 divided by 9? That is 3. How about 81 divided by 27? It's still 3. So therefore, our common ratio is 3. Let us solve this sequence sa ato ang formula. So a sub n, so instead of writing a sub n, we will write a sub 6. Is equal to first term 9 times r, which is 3 raised to the power of n minus 1, so 6 minus 1. Simplify. A sub 6 is equal to 9 times 3 raised to the power of 5. Next is a sub 6 is equal to 9 times 3 raised to the power of 5 is 243. So, 9 times 243 is 2,187. So, therefore, the sixth term of this geometric sequence is 2,187. Let's try another problem. So in this sequence, let's try to get the ninth term. So again, the first thing that we need to do, so that we could solve this problem, is to write again the formula. And the formula for geometric sequence is a sub n times is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. After that, let us identify the givens. So our a sub 1 is 4. Our n is 9. What is r? So to find the r, we need to divide the next term to the previous term. So if we divide 20 divided by 4, that is 5. 100 divided by 20 is still 5. So therefore, common ratio is 5. So the next step is to substitute this given to our formula. So instead of writing a sub n, we will write a sub 9 is equal to a sub 1, which is 4, times r, which is 5, raised to the power of 9 minus 1. Simplify. A sub 9 is equal to 4 times 5 raised to the power of 9 minus 1 is 8. Simplify again the problem. 4 times 5 raised to the power of 8 is 390,625. So, our a sub 9 is 4 times 390,625 is 1,562,500. So therefore, the ninth term of this sequence is 1,562,500.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.